Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the magic circle. As you see here, I have some samples. These are also known as the magic loops or a magic ring. These are often used in amigurumi, top-down hats, and as you can see here, I used it for some really cute little flowers, and I used the half double crochet inside the magic circle. So let me demonstrate what we're going to do at the end of the magic circle. So when we're done creating the stitches inside, we are going to pull the strand at the very end, and we're going to pull it very tightly until we have a nice closed circle, just like so. And then we are going to join at the very first stitch that we made. And this is what I'm going to be showing you in this video, how to make the magic circle like this. So let's get started with our magic circle. We're going to pinch the end of the yarn, leaving about 2 inches of tail. That is going to be the strand that we're going to pull the circle tightly closed. And we're going to pinch the yarn using our index finger and our thumb, like so. Now we're going to wrap the yarn around our index, middle, and ring finger. And as you bring it up, you are going to create an X right on the side of your index finger. You're going to want to place your thumb right on top of that X to keep it steady. And as you come around the top of your 3 fingers, you want to use your pinky to hold on to that strand of yarn as you work the magic circle. Now you're going to grab your crochet hook and you're going to insert your hook through the bottom of that first strand. You're going to then grab that second strand, which is your working yarn, and pull it underneath. And as you pull, you're going to twist to create a loop. Now the strand that your pinky is holding is your working yarn. So you're going to yarn over that working yarn and pull it through the loop you have on your hook. After this, you want to gently remove your fingers from inside the circle. And your magic circle is finished. I'm going to double crochet 10 stitches inside my magic circle. So I will be chaining 3. And you'll notice that you will also be crocheting inside the circle on over 2 strands. So 1, 2, 3 chains. And I'll be making 10 double crochets inside the circle. Now if your circle is a little bit too big, you can use the end yarn and pull gently to slightly close in just the circle, just a little bit, to have a little bit more control of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double crochets, and then we're going to grab our end or the tail of the yarn, and we're going to pull really tight and join at the top of that first double crochet you made. And we have finished our magic circle tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.